Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to unarchive a chat on Telegram in just a few simple steps. Archiving chats is a great way to organize your Telegram, but sometimes you might want to bring a chat back into your main list. Let's go over how you can unarchive your chats quickly and easily. Step 1. Start by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, swipe down on your screen, and you'll notice an archive icon at the top. Tap on it. Step 3. This will take you to your archived chats. Here, you'll see all the chats you've archived. Step 4. Find the chat that you want to unarchive, then long press on it to select it. Step 5. Once the chat is selected, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Step 6. From the options that appear, tap on Unarchive. And that's it. Your chat will now be moved back into your main chat list, and you'll be able to continue the conversation as usual. This is a super easy way to manage your archived chats on Telegram, helping you keep everything organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.